Hi, Shravan and Navjot. If you can hear me, can you just type yes? Perfect. Now, Shravan, your question is who can be a perfect audience for a vehicle service app or website? We have done one campaign for vehicle service app in Hyderabad. The brand name is Car One Stop. All right. So when we did this campaign, we have selected anyone who is the demographic was we have selected anyone who is in the age bracket of 25 to 45 or 50, and then we selected both men and women, and we selected people who have interest in Hyundai cars, Maruti cars, Tata Motors, Mahindra car, and Nissan car. So we did this kind of generic audience search, and then we have set the campaign. So we got a very good response. We got quite a lot leads for the same, and we have passed on the leads to the client, and then they did their follow up and they did closing also, because they went to their home and they did on site car servicing. That is what the USP was of my client. So you can also initially try to create a generic audience search, that is age can be somewhere between maybe 25 to 45 or 50, because and the gender can be both men and women, and interest can be something like who likes because it's a car product, so you can target all the top five brands manufacturers of India, and you can set your audience campaign. You can set your audience targeting, and you see for a week how the response is coming, and what is the perfect audience size to run a successful campaign. Anywhere I would recommend to search, you should have an audience size of maybe 5 lakh to 10 lakh. So in between of that, if you are targeting, I think it is a decent enough audience size to target your ad campaign. So when you do on day 4, you will see the video where you will know how to get those numbers and all. Okay, so once you see that video, you will understand how to check your audience meter, and accordingly you can set your campaign. So this I believe this should be ideal enough for you as of now, but you have to do a little proper geo tagging, so that you get a lot of good inquiries from your residential or from your commercial area itself, because Bangalore is a huge big city. So you should do a proper residential geo targeting, which you will again see on day 4 of day 4 video. Okay, so with this I have answered both questions of yours. Any further doubts in this regard, Shravan? And how about you, Navjot? Do you have any queries? Do you have any questions? Any queries or question, Navjot? Yeah, what is the question? Yeah. Shravan, you do all kind of car servicing, right? Or you are or you are an expert in some special category like luxury cars, or maybe an SUV models, or maybe a sedan models, or you do it for all. So you are into bike servicing, so you can target top five, or you can target all the bike manufacturers, and then you can set your campaign. So you can target Honda motorcycle, you can target TVS, Hero Motocorp, KTM motorcycle, Bajaj Auto motorcycle. Yeah, hi Sunita, how are you? Navjot, Audience Insight, Audience Insight is a tool which you have on Facebook. Now, this tool will help you checking out in general, what kind of audience is available on Facebook. So, what is your product, Navjot, again? So when you do an audience insight, you select the specific demographic of your customer, like your age, the location, and if you know that your customer is in some, if they have some specific interest on anything, you do that search, and then you see what kind of relevant audience you are getting on Facebook. Let me show you a demo. So shoe is a very generic product, Navjot. So let me show you how to do your audience insight. So you go to everyone on Facebook. All right. You select if you are from which city you are from, Navjot? Which city are you from, Navjot? Now let's say we have done the location is India, and let's say if you have selected a city as Delhi. All right, so you can actually you have product which is available for almost all age group. But let's say that we are targeting 18 to 15 because those people are more commonly online. They will be available on Facebook. And now, if you see, this is your audience insight. So 71% are men, 29% are women. All right. In that, 76% are those who have completed college, 9% are those who have completed graduate school, and 16% are those who have only completed high school. And 55% are single, 5% in relationship, 1% engaged, and 39% married. So you select on maybe single. So now when you select on single, you get, this is the demographic breakup, the education level, 13% are high school, 76% are college, and 11% are grads. So let's say we want to target all the college students or someone who completed college. Now you see 75% are men, 25% are women. Now what they like. So you go over here in page like this, these are the likes and interests. So when you do a targeting, you can use these pages for your ad campaigns just to get an approximate common interest between the user and your product. Or you can select the locations. So these are the locations which are more active. So I've selected Delhi. So here we have complete Delhi. And then this is the activity. This is the device user. So 17% people use Android phone, and 84% use Facebook or mobile. So that is how the ratios are. So when you set up an ad campaign, you can target all the people who are using mobile and who are using Android mobile, in case if you want to be specific as per your target audience persona. All right. So this is just to get an idea, what kind of people are available on Facebook. and what they like, what kind of people they follow, and how are they getting engaged. So this will just give you a little idea. Now, if you see over here in clothing, you have people who likes Puma, who likes Coops, who likes WYO, and who likes Levi's. So when you set your ad campaign, you can select people who have interest in this. So you're already a shoe brand. So you it's a again a part of clothing and fashion apparel, and you have someone who, these are the brands which are more popular on Facebook. So if you target them, though the people who follow them will follow, or they may show interest in your product also. So that is how you set your campaign, where you can target this. Now in again here you see Adidas is again over here in product or service. So you can target anyone who likes Adidas. So just explore this. Once you explore this, you will get more idea, and accordingly you can set your ad campaign targets. User, you can target your user or audience accordingly. So this will give you a little idea what kind of pages people like, and in location which is a location they follow, and this is demographic. So 25% are women. So you can run a separate ad campaign for women, because the portfolio of footwear is different for women, and portfolio of footwear is different for men. So you can run two different ad campaign. Okay. So this is how you do it. Now, if you want to select only women, you see what women likes. So here you click on women. Now women likes Vero, Moda, Femela, Stop by Love, Jealous, 21, H&M, Fab Ali, Coops. So these are the brands you will be targeting when you're setting up your ad campaign for a exclusive ad campaign for the women. All right. So this is how you do it for your women targeting. So you can also target Garnier India, because women likes Garnier India. Women like Lakme Fashion Week. Your women like Ever Stylish. So you are getting so much of database from Facebook itself. The only thing what you need to do is, when you set up your ad campaign for your audience inside, you should just select these brands, and accordingly you can do it. Now, apparel distributor forever 21. Search yourself, Navjot. Go to create your business page, go to a audience insight and do this. I want you to do the action taking. Okay. If you face any problem, you let me know. So this is how you do it. All right. Now let me see only for men what we have. So in men, they prefer Gillette India and Garnier Men India. And then in product and services, they prefer Axe India, Adidas, Beardo for men. So you can target these brands in your audience insight. And then they follow Men XP. This is a very important magazine. So you should target all the people who are having interest in Men XP. All right. And then in clothing, they prefer Reebok India, and then Puma, Mukti Jeans, Wear Your Opinion, Levi's. So this is how you set your ad campaign. Even they prefer Bewaku. So this is how you set it. Once you set it, you will definitely get a very good engagement for your ad campaign. Again, it depends on a lot of things like your creative, your content, your pricing, and all. But this is how you get an ideal audience insight. All right. So, Sunita, any questions you have? Did you watch the complete video? Do you have any questions, Sunita? Sunita, do you have any question? Or Shravan, Navjot, do you have any other question for today? One minute, My average lead, we did 2 campaigns, Shravan, if you can see over here. We did 2 campaigns. One campaign, the average lead cost was 98 rupees, and another campaign, the average lead cost was 122 rupees. So the total average lead cost for the carbon stock was 111 rupee, and we could generate 45 leads. We did this in the month of pandemic crisis, that is in March and April. So this is how we did it. Let me show you the ads also. Now you see this. This is the ad what we did. All right. So we did a video campaign. So we highlighted 4 to 5 services through this ad. Okay. This was a carousel ad. All right. So you see, you get some kind of inquiries in your comments as well. So you can target them also. So this was my carousel ad. I will share you this link as well so that you can make some ad copies accordingly if you want. All right. So this is what we have spent for the brand. So what 36,000 people reached, 68,000 impressions. Any other question, guys? So Shravan asked me, may I know what is average lead conversion cost when you have run a campaign for carbon stock? So this is the answer. Approximately, we could generate 45 leads with an ad with a per lead cost of 111.10. Any other question you have, guys? So create your 6 ad creatives today. That is very important. You can see my reference images, Shravan. You can make those, others also can see that. So based on that, you can create your ad creatives, and you can set up your campaign. I will share this link in the group as well. All right. So any other doubts you have, guys, you can ask me over here. Ramesh, do you have any doubt? Did you watch all the 2 videos, like day 1 and day 2? You can ask any question if you have from day 1, Ramesh. Did you create your Facebook page, and your did you join groups and other groups? Did you create your group? Yes. Now you saw my ad campaign, Navjot. So I completely recommend at least 5,000 should be the starting minimum amount to be spent in a month on Facebook to start getting leads. But when you try to get leads, there are a lot of parameters involved. Like if you need a very custom lead, which are like serious buyers, then you have to put some custom questions in your lead campaign. so that people answer your specific question and submit. So that will give you some kind of genuine leads, or else you can avoid those things. So you get a lot of database, but trust me, uh, bulk leads will give you a lot of bogus inquiries also. So try to customize your questions so that you get some quality leads. You can start with 5,000 in a month, and then you can see how it is working. And once you start getting conversion, you can increase your budget accordingly. But something like 5,000 is something what I completely recommend to start with. Yes, Ramesh, you have any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can ask me over here. All right, guys, do you have any other queries for the day one and day two session? You can ask me over here, or else I will wrap up this session, and I will share you the link for the day three so that you can go ahead and watch the videos. And tomorrow we will connect again from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock and discuss in detail. And please do your daily tasks, guys. Unless you don't do your daily tasks, you will not be able to learn. So action taking is very important. So just do your daily tasks. Whatever is the result, that is secondary. Unless you don't implement it, you will not learn. To be very honest, and you can't do all the things at one day. Like after 5 days of session, you can't do on Saturday sitting at home and sitting and doing everything. If you do your bit daily on a daily basis, that makes you and me easier to help you for the better progress. So just focus on that daily task, guys. So any other question, guys? Any other questions you have? All right, we have one question in Q&A. 1 minute. Ramesh, it is not only Facebook ad. You create you. I will show you on day 4 how to create your ad on Instagram also. So don't worry. Whatever I am showing you in this day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5 videos, same thing you have to implement in Instagram also. There is nothing different in that. So just use the same strategy for Instagram as well. On day 4, I will, however, show you how to set up your ad campaign on Instagram as well. So don't worry about that. The video which we get on day 4, you will get your answer for that. Yeah, cool, Ramesh. Just watch the videos. Once you watch, day 4, your question is already answered in day 4 video. You will get an answer on that day. So, any other question, guys? Can I wrap up the session, guys? Can I wrap up the session, guys? Great, then I will wrap up this session. I will share you the day 3 video link after this session only. So in case if you have time, you can start watching it now itself. And tomorrow we can connect and do a Q&A for day 3, day 1, day 2, and day 3. Okay? Sure. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you so much for coming live and asking your questions. Please use Slido because that's one of the best platform to have your questions recorded, and then we can answer it accordingly. All right. Chalo. Take care very much, guys. See you. Wish you all the very best and stay safe at home. Great, guys. See you all tomorrow. Yeah, I will share it to you right away, Navjot. I also understand that is the reason I wanted the Q&A to be done, and then I will share you the video daily on this timing itself. All right? Sure. Take care, guys. See you.